Welcome back to My Kitchen Scientists. We are going to continue learning about the different types of science that we can see happening in our kitchens when we're baking and cooking. And today, I'm very excited. We are going to be practicing and learning about cooking science with popcorn. Popcorn is one of my all-time favorite snacks, but I've always been curious. How do we get the popcorn to go from the little kernels that we see in our bags or in our microwave bags, popcorn, into the white, fluffy, delicious stuff that we eat? I have some questions about that, and I think maybe if we put on our chemist hats, we can learn more about it. So friends, go ahead and get your scientist hats on today. We are going to look for the science that happens when we are popping popcorn. Now, popcorn doesn't usually come to our houses all popped and ready to go. A lot of times we buy it in bags or in microwave bags that allow us to pop it. The kernels are these little bits right here. Those are called popcorn kernels. As you can see, they're a lot smaller than a piece of popcorn. They also have a hard outside shell, and I can't really eat them, and I don't really want to eat them. These kernels are actually little tiny corn seeds, different than the corn that we eat, but still, they have an outside shell, and they have food on the inside for the seed. Remember when we were learning about seeds and plants and how they will grow roots and they use the food that's inside of them to get started? Well, that's the same with popcorn kernels. They also have a lot of moisture or water on the inside. And when you're popping popcorn, that moisture gets really, really hot. It warms up and warms up and warms up. And as you'll remember from our water cycle, when water gets really warm, it turns into steam or evaporates. So these little tiny popcorn kernels are getting so full of steam, and it has nowhere to go because of the hard outside shell. And so that pop that you hear is actually the steam pushing its way out of the popcorn, and then the white part is the inside, the starch that was on the inside, the little food for the seed that comes out. But I think we should look at popcorn getting popped to understand it better. So I'm gonna get my oven set up so we can see what popcorn popping looks like. Okay friends, I have got some oil going in this pan, and I've put a couple of popcorn kernels in there. I know that we need the heat. Oh, one pop. We need the heat to make the kernels expand, have the steam push them out to make popcorn. So let's add a few more kernels. This is something you can try at home with a grown-up. This is not something that you should be doing on your own because these are hot and can hurt you. But if we watch, you can see the popcorn starting to pop. One piece even flew out onto my computer. Oh boy, friends, let's look at it. Woo! So this popcorn, which is very hot and still popping, the water on the inside is turning into steam and pushing out, making it pop into that delicious popcorny bit. How cool is that? So friends, my question for you is, what are you wondering about when you're learning about popcorn popping? I have lots of questions still, but what are you curious about? Really excited to hear it.